So it's been a little bit since I've made a video. I wanted to share with you a new addition to the garage. This is a 2009 turbocharged LNF Chevy Cobalt. It was on eBay Motors because I got it for under $900 because the suspension was totally mangled. Everything had to be replaced suspension wise. The front bumper was missing as well. I got a new bumper from Car ID. It's the fiberglass B2. I think it looks pretty good. The color is obviously new. It is the Rapid Blue, Chevy Rapid Blue. Fell in love with it at the dealership, and I think it looks pretty good on the Cobalt. But replaced all the suspension. I bought a donor car and had all the suspension swapped over. Put in a OTTP short shifter. A lot of ZZP products in the car as well. I've got Nitto Invo tires and Voxx Capo wheels on. I think that the combination of the graphite gray with the blue looks pretty good. Rocker panels are also from Car ID. The same B2 fiberglass. Under the hood, went with ZZP for a lot of things. I did go with Injen for the cold air intake. The filter is down in front of the passenger tire. The bumper, my body guy spent about 4 days trying to get this thing to fit. He had to cut a bunch off of this section here, and man, it just did not want to fit. He was throwing wrenches and everything. It was terrible. But anyway, so ZZP charge pipe and also the ZZP ECU swap for the tune. Stock turbo, definitely planning on autocrossing it, but if I decide to go more than autocross and do more track events, I might go with a bigger turbo. But this is actually my very first manual car, and the bite point is a little bit high. The shifting is a little bit chunky, I would say, or you really got to just slam the shifter a bit to get it into the next gear, but not as smooth as I would like. But it is it's a lot of fun to drive. Second gear, she flies. So anyway, this is and I just put on the bow tie. Let me know if you have any questions about the Cobalt. Do a quick walk around. As you can see, there's red over here because the donor car had red fenders, and so I just elected to paint the outside and left that as part of the story. Again, it's a 2009. Not sure if I should do anything with the back. Just leave it the way it is. I did debadge it and then put the SS here in the middle. I am having the front windshield tinted this week, so that'll be a lot more comfortable in this Florida sun. It's got the Brembo brakes that comes with stock. Let me know what you think.